Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow topping step by step. Gather ingredients and tools: 2 cups mini marshmallows, 1/4 cup cream, 2 tablespoon butter, electric mixer, heatproof bowl, spatula. Start by melting butter and cream gently, then add marshmallows and stir until smooth. Transfer to mixer and whip briefly for fluff. Use immediately on pies, cakes, or toast for a glossy, cloud-like finish that stays soft and sweet. Warm the cream and butter over low heat until small bubbles form around the pan edges, then remove from heat and add marshmallows. Stir constantly until fully melted and smooth, then let the mixture cool for a few minutes so it won't deflate when whipped. Transfer to a bowl and use an electric mixer at medium speed for 30 to 60 seconds until glossy and airy, scraping sides as needed. Taste and adjust sweetness if desired. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which fills kitchens with clear sound and helps set timers while you cook. It pairs easily with timers and voice controls, so you can multitask when heating and whipping toppings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Spread the topping while still slightly warm for a glossy finish, or pipe when cooler for peaks that hold shape. For torching, gently brown with a kitchen torch to add color and caramel flavor, keeping flame moving to avoid burning. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, then gently rewarm and whip briefly to restore texture before using. Label container with date and use within recommended time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.